everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an empties video, and I kind of want to do these a little bit more regularly so I don't have to just keep around these trash items for as long. So there might not be as many kind of products, but I think maybe if I do these a little more regularly, I'll be able to kind of keep the videos a little bit shorter because I know everyone doesn't like long videos. So I'll get started and show you guys what I've used up. So I'm just gonna pick these out in random order. The first thing I used up was this Paris Hilton Body Mist Can Burlesque spray. I think I got this, yeah, from TJ Maxx for like $6. So I used that up. It's a body spray. It smelled nice. I mean, it's just like a cheap perfume. So yeah, I used that up. I probably wouldn't buy it again. I used up one of my favorite shampoos. This is the Suave Professional's Moroccan Infusion, the giant size one. I have like the conditioner as well, but I haven't used that one up yet. But I like that one. I've bought that one a million times over. Another staple for one of my empties videos is the Epielle wipes makeup removers. So this one was the vitamin E and collagen one that I used up. Definitely loved those. Next was a hair dye that I used. I absolutely hated this hair dye. I hate whenever I go to the store and they're like out of my favorite one, which is the L'Oreal Absolute Feria Platinum? Absolute Platinum? L'Oreal Feria. I should know this for how many times I've used it, but that's like the only one I'll ever use now, and I swear just every time I try something different, I'm like, why did I do that? So this one was the L'Oreal Paris Excellence Cream Blonde Supreme 01 High Lift Extra Light Ash Natural Blonde. So this was the one, I hated this one. This one is the reason why my roots like look so bad. Like you can actually see like my natural color, and then you can see this like golden band of color. That was from this. This turned my hair like orange. It didn't even lift very much, and it's supposed to be high lift color. So, and like my hair is probably about that color on the back, like for the darkest color, and it didn't lift my hair that much at all. So I hate this one. I'm never using it again. I always get mad at myself whenever I like try a different one because like my favorite one's just not there and I'm really desperate, but I'm just done with trying new hair dyes. Like I had it in my hair for so much longer than you're supposed to. I know that's bad, but it literally was just not lifting like at all. So I hate that dye. Not gonna use it again, and I shouldn't stray from my favorite hair dye. So next, this is one that I've had for a long time that I finally used up. This is the Pink Sugar hair perfume. I think I got this for my birthday like a couple years ago, and one thing I hate is like when I first got it, the like bottle of it, like the bottom cracked. So I tried to like be like really cool and like use hot glue to kind of like seal it up, but it still didn't work very well, so I had to like store it upside down for like 3 years. But I finally used this up. This was like one of my favorite perfumes ever. It's like, it smells like so sweet and sugary and like a 12-year-old, but I love it. This is actually the hair perfume. I found that it worked just as well as like the regular perfume, and I think it might be just a little bit cheaper, but I finally used that up. I have a whole other bottle of it that I bought like probably 2 years ago that I still haven't gotten through because this lasts forever. But yeah, so I loved that, even though it's like definitely one of those young kind of scents. It's just, I like it. I definitely don't use it every day though because it is like one of those intensely strong perfumes, so just like every once in a while. The next 4 things I used up, these were all just like conditioners that I had in my cabinet and stuff. So this first one is like the one that came with the box dye. I used all 4 of these to dilute my Pravana purple or Pravana violet hair dye to dye my hair this like lavender color. Of course it was a lot darker, and this is like much more of a faded silvery kind of color, but I ended up using all this just to dilute it because I had so many of these, because I never use these like after I dye my hair ever because these all just suck, and I just like end up stockpiling these for whenever I do want to like kind of pastelize a hair color. So those 4 have all been used. Some makeup products that I finally used up. I'm so happy. This is the Hard Candy Glamoflauge concealer. This one literally lasts me like 3 years. I finally like used this up. There's probably like a tiny bit still in here, but I'm over trying to use this up, so I'm gonna call this one done. This was definitely one of my favorite concealers for a long time. I want to kind of like branch out and try some new things, so I'm not gonna repurchase this right away, and actually I think I might have another tube of this in my collection already, so that one I'm gonna have to like get to eventually. And another product I feel just lasts like years for me is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Finally used that one up. I have a few more like primers in my collection that I want to use up. It's probably one of my favorites, the Urban Decay one, but I just have so many I need to get through before I even think of repurchasing this. And then there's a lot of drugstore ones I've never even tried, like the Milani one's supposed to be really good. And I feel like maybe there's just a lot more things since like this came out. I feel like this is just like the most OG product of like YouTube beauty videos ever, but I feel like I just need to try some new things, so I'm not gonna rush out and buy this anytime soon. And then this product I didn't actually use up, but it just kind of dried up, so it's going. This is the NYX White Liner. This one I actually probably only used a couple times, just because how often do you really use a white liquid liner? But I wanted to use it for a tutorial that I was going to do this week, and it was all dried up and I just couldn't use it. I don't know if I'll repurchase this or not, because again, I didn't really get to use it very much the first time, and it did crack a little bit whenever you would wear it. It would like kind of wear down and look a little crumbly and almost quite honestly look like whiteout. So I'm just not a huge fan of this one, so I don't think I'll repurchase this one. A few samples that I've used up. Again, these I've shown a million times as well because I have so many K-beauty like sample products. So this is 2 of these SkinFood Black Sugar Wash Off Mask. I'm still going through these. Hopefully one day I'll be able to use them all up. This is the Too Cool for School Egg Mellow Cream. I love this still. Every time I like use one of these samples, I'm like, ooh, I should just bite the bullet and like buy the full size one, but I haven't bought it yet, but maybe as soon as I finish this up, maybe. This is a Missha Signature Complexion Coordinating BB Cream, the black version. I really like this one as well, but I have so many face products to get through. I'm probably gonna hold off on buying that one for a while, and especially because I think I like this one more. This one's also from Missha, and this one is like the ChoBoYang one. I've shown that one a million times before, but the color is just like, it's like my actual skin color, like the perfect color, so I love that. And then these, I meant to do like a video for these, kind of like how I did the Peri Peri Blur Pong color correcting videos. A lot of people really like those videos. Those are like some of my more popular ones. So this is from Too Cool for School. This is the Studio de Teint Art Class Correctors. So these are actually really expensive. They're like 20 bucks a piece, but I ended up finding the samples of this, and so there's 2 colors. There's like a one called Eclat Rose and the other is called Clear Blue. So I still have more samples of these, and I'll probably do a video showing these, like what they look like on the skin, because again, a lot of people found those videos helpful, which I was very surprised at. I'll probably do a video coming up over the next few weeks showing these products as well. Next 2 are just some face masks that I used up. This is the Prestige Rose to Black from It's Skin. This is one I had from a, I think it was a Rose Shop haul from almost, yeah, probably over a year ago. So I finally used that one up again because I have so many face masks. And then this one my friend actually got me. She said she got it because it reminded her of me because it was a little mermaid. So that's like the nicest thing ever. This one's from Esfolio and it's called the Pearl Essence Sheet Mask. So that one was really cute, and I just love being called a mermaid, so that was really sweet. And then the last 2 products that I used up, these are both candles. This first one is a candle from Big Lots. It's like my favorite candle. This is the Amaretto Cheesecake, and it's from the brand Living Color Candle. So this one I loved. It was like $5. Yeah, $5 for this huge candle. This is like the same size that you would pay for like the $22 candles from Bath & Body Works. This one smells so good if you like amaretto scent. It's very kind of like sweet and almondy, kind of like a slight bit of cherryness to it, but it's very good. I have like another one of these that I love. So if you see this one, definitely give it a smell. It smells so good. One of my favorites, so inexpensive, and like it is very heavily scented. It also burned for quite a long time as well. Like I always burn these 3-wick ones like pretty quickly, but this one actually lasted a pretty good amount of time. And then another Bath & Body Works one. This one's just a teeny tiny one. This is the Seaside Escape one. I've had this for so long, but what I hate about these tiny ones is like there's so much wax left in there, but the wick is completely burned out. So I'm just gonna have to like freeze this and like pop out the wax to kind of get it all clean, because I kind of want to save the little jars and use them for something. I have quite a few different candle jars. I still haven't figured out a purpose for them yet, but you know, maybe like holding brushes and things like that would be really cute. So that was it for this Empties videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.